This is a GLK 2015 model, and the problem the customer complained of is that he continues to hear his cooling fan blowing too high. So I got there, I took the car from him and brought it to the workshop. So it's running, the AC is on, and I think the fan is blowing like a little high, but not too high from inside the car. Yes, I'm gonna go outside. I'm gonna pull up the hood now and then go. So listen, so let's check if it's going to be blowing too high or just at normal pace. Well, even if I go out of the car, just opening the door, I can hear loud noise. So I'm just gonna go into the hood and see. Well, it is blowing high. Yeah, it's blowing high, as you can see. It sounds like an airplane. So, first of all, I want to check something. I want to see where the temperature sensor is. If it's, I can't find the temperature sensor out. So it's supposed to be somewhere here, or just hanging somewhere around here. But I can't find it. So, I've spotted it now. I spotted it. You can see the wire hanging somewhere there. This is somewhere. The wire is hanging around. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to loosen this, slide it under, and fix it properly, and then I'll test if the engine fan will still be blowing like this. It's just way too high. But you see, kind of sounds normal to me, but since the customer is complaining and I've found something that could cause that to happen, so I'm just going to do my job. Yeah. Let's close the hood and come back. Here's the cover on the I'm going to be using it. So I'm just going to get my 8 pipe and unscrew this bolts here. And when I get them out, I can get proper sighting of where I want to on there. So right here is what we're looking for. Now this is what's been causing the trouble here. This is the evaporator sensor and it's intact. This could also have caused it, but since this is intact and this is good, and but we're having the outside temperature sensor out here. We're supposed to be inside that grill over there facing outward, but it's inside here, it's falling apart. So this, I'm just gonna put it out again so it can read as it's supposed to, and then we test the engine fan speed again to see what's up. So right now, here it is, progressing, and this is it. This is out. The outside temperature is supposed to be placed outside, facing outside, like this, inside the grill here, so it can read the temperature outside the vehicle and also send signals to wherever it's supposed to send it to. So now we're going to observe and see if the engine fan will be blowing. So we're at it again. I'm going to start now, and yeah, that's the normal sound without the AC on. I was not talking about the beeping. I was talking about the engine fan. It's quite not loud now. Press the AC on. Okay. Let's just wait if we're going to hear any loud noise from the engine. Oh boy, not again. We still have the noise in the engine, but not as loud as it used to be. So I'm just going to open the hood now and go to the engine and see it. Let's just check the difference. All right. Oh no, it's not even almost like it's the same. I don't know what's going on. And for the last phase, I took the car home, and this morning I'm going to start and see if the engine fan still blows that high. This is still the sound without the engine the AC on. And I'm gonna switch on the AC and observe. So it's now normal. There's no longer high speed of. So now it sounds normal. There's no longer loud noise from the engine fan. Now, here goes the car. Done with the job. Car is washed and sparkling and ready for delivery. Have a day.